Some Muslims think that in order for any currency to be legal tender, it has to be either gold or silver, or at least backed up by gold or silver. And they support this understanding with the saying of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Quran, وَالَّذِينَ يَكْنِزُونَ الذَّهَبَ وَالْفِضَّةَ وَلَا يُنْفِقُونَها فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ. As for those who store or hide gold and silver without paying them for the cause of Allah. So their emphasis here is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala referred to gold and silver to be the currency or to be the legal tender. Okay. In addition to that, during the lifetime of the Prophet ﷺ, only and only gold and silver were used as currency or legal tender. So based on that, any kind of currency is not recognized as a legal tender as long as it does not have either intrinsic value or otherwise it is backed up by gold and silver. Here is my argument. Nowadays, if you want to buy gold or silver, well, forget about silver. Let's talk about gold. Okay, how can you buy gold nowadays? Is there any way other than using that fiat money or that legal tender or that American dollars? Okay, like for those who are living in the US, well, there is no way for you to buy gold without using that fiat money or the dollar bills, okay, that we use here in the US. This is just to make it clear that the bills that we use or the fiat money is a legal tender. So here is the rule. For fiat money to be considered a valid medium of exchange, it must have legal backing. Legal backing means that the financial authority, whether the Federal Reserve or the central bank, has to approve that particular fiat money to be a legal tender. So there is an authority behind it, and based on that, when it becomes outdated and loses its legal tender, it loses its monetary value. So it's all about the authorization or the authorization of the financial authority. Once that authorization is removed or not given anymore, then you are talking about just pieces of papers and not anything else, right? Hence, the ruling of currency exchange would no longer apply to it. So it's all about the authority or the approval given to a certain fiat money to be utilized as a legal tender.